Welcome guys back to Davi Dan HD. Guys, we have our next banger movie a drop. You see me? So want to like, share, comment, tell a friend. Guys, and listen, if you feel nice and generous and y'all want to donate for better quality movies, guys, see the number right there, so I'm gonna link it up. Yeah, and guys, want to just follow me on TikTok at actress underscore pinky underscore Kim and at TikTok or Instagram? TikTok. And at Instagram at pinky underscore DATM1. Guys, and please don't forget, watch the ads.
Alright, people. That was actress Pinky. She tell her everything wants to do, but me I remind you again. Make sure you like, make sure you see subscribe button more, you abuse it, holding and thumping and mouth. So make sure you click subscribe. Comment your favorite part. And yeah, if you feel generous and want to donate, nobody there. Check in our description, check your channel description, check everything. But sisters in secret, new banger, get some popcorn and your family. Active for you, know we are home. Make sure you like the video.
Yes, hello, babe.
Yeah, money, alright.
Yeah, me alright, but I miss you, man.
I miss you too, so how may I get to see you? Can you come over today?
What time today?
Anytime possible, man. Time is now, I'm not care if I even right now.
Of course, not evening, no.
How you just want to make you happy in the evening?
No, I'm not really eat nothing from morning yet, so I go eat something and then tie up my room and then, you know?
Alright, now we're fine here.
Alright, me call them.
Alright, dear.
Alright.
Who that day?
What do you mean by no boyfriend?
Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
What that sound like the boyfriend of me, no?
What do you mean by?
Girl, that sound like a one different boy.
Girl, just mind your business.
Mind my business.
Yeah, B.
What happened, baby?
What gone?
Damn, man, why is so hard to find?
What do you mean by hard to find?
Can't hear from you.
No, that's true. I've been busy. Me and my sister them been to do some house chores and something, you know?
Heal up your sister for me there.
My boyfriend say heal up.
Yeah, tell him hi.
She say hi.
So no good.
Yeah, man, no good, man.
Oh.
I do so we clean up your yard and so on.
So you had an idea?
Not really.
You not do nothing? So me couldn't see you.
What time?
In the evening.
Yeah, man, not even can see me, yes.
Alright, because God knows we all want to see you. She don't miss you.
And then you want me there, I miss you too.
Alright, baby.
Alright, later.
So, hello, what's so many go see today?
What do you mean
I
by?
don't understand, girl. That sound like the boy who know. So, what the next one?
My boyfriend tweet, what do you mean boyfriend?
What do you mean they told me your boyfriend? Are you turn or?
No, this I get out of hand. Why you not mind your business?
You have two boyfriends.
Me have two boyfriends, you don't have none. I don't hear me ask about your business.
No,
So
like
that's
that,
my
Alia.
business.
Don't do that, Alia. You
Listen
ever
to
hear
me.
say what's in the day who come to like anything what you do the next one I go find me say have a good boyfriend, Alia. Why you cheat on the boy?
Listen to me. You look at money your mommy and send me a one time can't maintain
But
house.
don't-
Cup soup can't feed me.
Satisfy, girl. Satisfy with what you have.
Listen to me. Come out of my business. I'm my business but not your business. You understand?
I like what you do, girl. I don't like what you do.
Hello, I want big conflict all about. Because I can't understand you not talking for no more. But I can't pick up on that.
If you ever believe this, Alia have two man.
Hold on there. Me tell my business not private and you come and tell the whole world.
Hello, I am not the whole world. I am a sister.
It no matter.
And me know that I already girl. You just late.
And you approve that Alia have two man.
No, but me no business on my body. You fear body.
Exactly. I don't know why she's so concerned. Look, Penny. One time when we send him money a one time, you know. Me don't know whether the money they gone no, cause remember say Kayla alone have ideas stuff, you know. So she mommy said the money would come. And by the time she get it, she said the money done.
Cause the money done, things not cheap at Jamaica again.
Exactly, so
You're
mommy.
in Jamaica. How you think the light bill pay? And the water bill? How you get cup soup for you eat?
No man. Look how long them the cup soup they don't want to buy.
And then you the next one too. You just big in the place and you eat so much. So when me buy grocery, it can't last for all one.
No.
It can last for 1
The
week.
amount of money mommy say him send. I remember I know only 5,000 that we get, you know.
Well, when I get $5,000 now, 3,000 me get, you know. 3,000 me get.
So alright, she cut for her money short for we. And me have my man for myself. So you must know where you over there so on.
And I must still do approve it. You're not supposed
That's
to
not
ask
your
my
business. If I did you have 2 man in a business with this, so I don't know why you cater for me.
Girl. I don't like it though, girl.
And it don't sound good now, or see as daylight when you get up and argue. It don't
And
sound
she
good at
want
all.
up in my business.
You say if Ali want have 2 man, it no concern you.
Right.
Stay out of it. When you talk to your 2 man, them don't talk to your 2 man them in front of her because she do not like it. You go outside, you go one side, go talk to your 2 man.
For what reason?
Because she do not like it. She feel like
I know.
and she's the younger one.
You know what happened? I go left that place. I go check TV right now. Because you know what stress me out. Me have my 2 man them and everybody know about him. Them not know what they want to. But you see the know so good they have 10 or 20 man and I hide them. Me don't have no time to hide
You
no man.
have 20 man, but you who name TV?
Here, so yeah.
Your man named Davi and you have man named TV.
So girl, you're not easy. Girl, talk about 20 man.
Killer, you really support Allah with our 2 man them.
No, I tell you. My sister, you have to understand. You see, Ali and me not support her with her 2 man, but you know see how she look? She look big. A 2 man have to handle her. She can't, 1 man cannot handle her. So she have to have 2. Okay? And again, me not supposed to have my conversation because you're young. But you have to understand, say, life hard. It really hard for you. Although me send him money and it might look holy, but you know, holy but all. And Ali is bigger one. Ali don't even can collect the money where she not have no sense. She not act like say she a adult. She act like say she a 12-year-old.
You know, my sister, I don't say I use the money to clear up the bills, man. So because
Yes.
you
pay the bills
good
them.
one in here.
If you did it for you, because Ali not no sense. Ali like say my want to pick me, like in a responsibility. No, son.
You're the nicest person in here. Are you careful with? I like the biggest one, I like to share the smallest one.
Ali not so righteous.
I don't understand how it's.
She if you get her act together.
2 man.
Big he have 2 man and he don't have no ID.
2 man and no money.
Eh? Just imagine that. How to if you have a birth paper?
Anyways, me come work when it's like I want something to eat. You
Yeah.
got money?
Look on the table. Just look on the table, you see $20. Take up your and use it.
$20.
20 Jamaican dollar, me not have no money. Me not give $5,000 already.
Girl, later.
So the money I grow up on tree.
Davi Dan, so what are you with?
Yeah, I'm there all the regular reasoning with my dog.
Sure.
What you are dealing with?
I'm there and I'm all out.
I'm give a piece of joke, my dog.
Give me it now.
What would I say if me tell you something you get on you girl?
Well, I'm happy for you, because a long time I suffer in a dog. I try to make it out of the gutter and I try to
Brother,
find a new girl.
me get a girl and this a girl every week in the morning. I don't know where you get it from. I don't see she working. I don't know what she do, but every week I get a big fat check, my bro.
Probably she have a money tree where we don't know about.
Might be, but I'm not questioning it. I'm not questioning it in it, my dog. You see me? Yeah, me and girl said we ain't but right now, this a girl I get featured more. Me not tell no lie, my dog.
So what you mean, girl? Or that no concern you? Tell me what you mean.
One
girl,
night time them bad. I'm tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm not too sure me girl them a road dog, cause my girl they no go a road. They only pull up on me yard. You know. So might be all if me tell about him, you not gonna even know him. But what I want to feel, girl.
I say for me girl, as I start about for me girl, I know say if you go and check me in idea, I see me there wait for.
An idea?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I got the long door dog.
They no must, bro.
You're not married?
They no must, bro. Why are you that? Me no must marry that. Love that girl let till you hear them from my bars. Great, bro. We not left.
Yeah.
No left.
So I make you love him, sir. If you don't mind opening your business,
Bro, but up in it, bro, and that me not like, bro. Me don't ask her question.
Alright. Tell her what. Now I'm all pretty. You say you love her. Let me give you a different scenario now. Let me this. This are you open the dance.
Yeah.
6 and 6. You sure so she has a 6 and 6 to post, she has a 1 and 2 post. You love she, but she don't love you.
That is different from love, bro.
Yeah, but I don't know what difference.
Can't put
You
that.
has a 6 and she has a 3. Post she don't love you like how you love she.
Hold on like a she, this you know. Mostly a she.
Can't bother with them people. They want to stress me. Bad mind too, they don't know man. I make them can't have man. Okay. Like I make them can't have no man. Or true no man, no one of them. Think 5 can serve nobody a week time, man. More I hear, the more I news, the more everything do. And I say me I get one man from the side and I can't chat.
Hello.
Yeah, B.
What happened?
What going on? What you do?
Me over me and I use the back, you good?
Yeah, me good, but I can't wait for later, yeah, man. More I can see now.
So forward now.
You know, I know bad time.
How is it bad time when I call up from when you see you?
Alright, me forward.
Alright.
So me da, how you tell somebody say they're home?
Bro, don't worry about that. She can't look for me, no woman.
You said one.
Said one to me, I tell
But
her.
it me a show you say a sign. As me a chat about how you don't love you. You just call her so it me a say, post you not rate her like how you rate him.
Bro, I try corrupt my
No,
woman.
bro, would I never that. Me not try corrupt you, but me a try show you a pre. And that's why me not loyal to girl, and I'm loyal to myself. Me even loyal to money, because money can use against me too.
I like to, but my woman loyal to me, I'm loyal to her.
You believe so?
You don't believe so, me know so.
Well, I don't tell her no, you know. But I don't tell her say I saw you go neither, because I don't know. You speak up yourself still, dog. So what you do, you link your woman or you go and build
I
up.
can't go over and clean up the place, dog. As bad as things, bro. I have to get myself active before she falls.
Do the right thing then, my dog. I'll be here.
So we link.
Yeah.
Go and show that one, because that's all a good fact.
I hope you want your woman actually said 6. And she not get 6 from somewhere else. Because God no. It'd be a shame.
You what man?
What?
Yeah, we're good. How you look so vexed?
No, me can't bother with my sister them, man.
What do them?
Every day they come and come stress me out.
Why am I stressed out, sir, now?
Alright, imagine. I'm there on the phone with her this morning. And for my sister, she come talk about how. Through me there on the phone with her and talk to her and tell me I can't link you. Yeah, no. Call you all, boy you want man. You have to go look work. So I said this a dirty girl here. You see them dirty girl pinky there.
So, I would tell her now a bigger one.
Me a bigger one and she a youngest one and she say, I sure she like no man no want her. Look at her, I sure she no have no man, I don't know.
Well,
I have to decide this man and take out her yard, man.
because correction business in a full fight still. But you must know that our sister can't get involved.
I never say if you get involved, but...
But that no concern her.
Yeah, she fi mind her own business. That she fi do.
So you text her long for reach.
Remember say this is me if you come over, you know. But just because of the argument and him pissed me off, me say alright, I can't link you know. But you know me take a little while, but me tap out there smoke and one craving name, man, that's why.
Oh, that's the smell of craving here, so.
Yeah. But look at it. You know the mommy they are friend and must send you look money.
Yeah.
$5,000 I get at the week time. $5,000 can maintain big woman like me. What $5,000 can do? They will make it look like say yeah, if you take it $5,000, $5,000 can't do me here, it can't do nothing for me.
So only probably stop a gap.
Yeah, that's all it can do, stop a gap.
I know that only can stop a gap, you know, but and that's why I'm trying to help you out a week time with the look of it when I can. So you can buy a grocery and you know.
I know man, I appreciate it very much. I want to ask you one question though. You always this calm?
Of course, why you ask?
Me just ask how you just calm in every little thing.
Calm for your person, better for them. But sometimes they don't even know what even calm, you know. You know, so come to think of it, me and my brother know what is the reason before you forward. And he might tell me say find a new girl. But the new girl I treat him good and he might ask me about my relationship status and I tell him how I love you and I'm interested and he might tell me say if me not give if you not give me bone and this and that. But that's it too how me know how you stay. Only God alone can come here so right now. Come tell me say you give me bun.
You better believe it.
Cause I don't know how him just pop up out of the blue, so I him stuck on that the topic then. Like, me don't even know how to explain it.
Probably true. Film woman when have a game bun, make him say that boy.
You know, so that me think.
And the film woman a game bun and he want to say it, but he don't know how to say it. That's why I say that.
Cause I know you're not give me none.
No, sir, me not do that, man.
Me don't even support Easter, so you have to give me bun.
I can go over go see if we can cool down here. So when I cool down, I come back and check you. I want money to buy one food.
Food? But how much money, sir?
$2
Sabi, you really are left?
Yeah, me just have to come over and talk to cool down bread and then go over.
Just 5 minutes, and after me tell my brethren say, me I left come over, come my woman and come and think I old lady that spend with me.
Alright, tell her, I'm spend one extra hour with you. Lie down and look for you. That's fine.
Really be? Just a little and look for me?
So me go to me can't do nothing.
Alright.
Thanks for the enjoyment with you.
I mean, more to enjoy it, that was perfect by little and just a look for me.
Me go over here, me call you.
Alright.
Alright.
I wonder if one Davi still open in front. We'll give him a link here, man.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Well, I'm gonna still now. Next week before I can do something. Alright, I'm there up on the block just to go and chill out and sit. I'm sure you don't miss her.
Davi Dan!
Hold on a bit, my son call back here.
Oh.
Why pray now? Oh, that man for your mission.
Oh man, what kind of man team mission you talk about,
Oh,
bro?
you go over, Acha. 1 hour and a half fast, you go over like you go attack him, man.
No man, that no concern you, man.
You don't want to know, but true your father, your teacher show and you think of one place. Oh, yeah,
No bro, not like that. They don't say nothing go on. We might just forward over and we just lead on the bed and we laugh. We laugh with one another.
Laugh, boy.
Just laugh. Nothing go on, bro. We just lead on and laugh and we higgy.
Laugh, boy, give me some of the joke to make me laugh. So.
Just a laugh, bro. You have to in a bed with a woman if you understand what me I talk about.
Killer, a regular me and my woman, them, my girls, go in a bed, dog, and me and them a laugh. Maybe we laugh after, but laughing is not main concern. So, yeah, a joker, comedian, Oliver.
Cut long story short. You more ask you. You feel say wanna give me bun?
Dog, I want to tell you, man. I tell you the truth, dog. I first me there first saying, I freak me there for growing in real life, dog. I don't know nothing about young man. I don't know nothing about young man, dog. We can't tell if my give bun or not. You feel like you might give bun?
You not think so?
So you just ask me back. I told me say it to you, make you pray if you ask me back.
Yeah, bro. Me just step out rest for my brain, bro. Me have meds, bro.
Tell you, in a real life, me only say it to you, dog. If you try make you aware of our world. Because I know see your brain young with certain things. I know see you're old on me, but you don't experience certain things with woman yet. Let me show you something, dog. You see in the Bible, God create woman and God create Satan. I think he told them the same thing. And you know what man be? Man a devil. So the whole tree away I said thing. So I just saw me pray, dog. Woman are wicked, man are wicked. But me rather do evil than get evil done to me. So I saw me pray. And maybe more than one you pray so too. But dog, in a real life, I don't know nothing about you and your woman. So I can't tell her if my kid born or not.
If she do a give me bun, what kind of bun she give me?
I want them. I used to time, you know. It's the season for a bun, my dog.
So, like cheese and them something, me get that too.
I don't know what you get now, but I know what me give. Matter of fact, hold on.
I don't know what it is a boy. Have me little in the bed and look on him for 1 hour. Like somebody come in here and look up for me. And for me look on him. Call Davi, because the boy just piss me off too.
Hello?
Hold on.
I'm there, what?
I'm there already.
You know, say up on the block, I'm there, chat to one of them go them go.
So what I may see you?
Yeah, true, you say in the evening, what time you have plan to see me, so?
No.
Right now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no problem.
Like you remember some tell I miss you.
Alright, come meet me for now.
Alright.
That smells like a bingo.
Bingo. Me I go bingo. Me not go for laugh like I am. You know, say I'm going to call me main chick.
Eh? Tough boy.
So you say, I laugh, I laugh.
Laugh, me did laugh. Woman say me say you're just laughing thing in the pan, bro.
Nah, but I tell you lie now. When me go over right now, me no must see you back feed you. Because me not go in the room go laugh. You make me laugh. That's what you say.
That's easy, you know.
Me die, I look more, you
You know,
know.
that tough, you know, you're the man that tough, you know, bro. Hope you man not gain a bun.
What? I'm there when you come.
You look wild.
You just walk inside here and tell me. This come like a your place. Sit down, man.
See me by not for my place. No, my man live over here.
Yeah, but you just come and even make me know say you're up on your way.
Of course, me call you.
Yeah, but me think you'd show up money outside and say, hey, come
No,
let
me
me
don't need to do that. I need to stay yard. Suppose me to come over here early and over
You
here.
can't come over here early because you tell me say in the evening you plan to see me.
Yeah, but I lie down over there if you want to watch my phone. And to me, miss you, instead of your phone, me I see your face, me I see somebody just call and say, you know what, me I come check you.
Eh? You sure?
Yeah.
So you plan to check me for then?
What you mean, Ben? I know me check you for.
No, sir. You plan to check me?
Nobody go on with the phone now, man.
You know what's the other man? Hold on. Before all of that, may I sit more ask you?
What that?
Yesterday me I call you. I never answer. Why you never answer?
You know, say me need to run my phone though. My sister in there deal with something, and when I go back, go take out my phone dead. I forgot to charge it.
I need
So,
to call me.
I mean, by
For any time I call.
anytime my phone don't charge, I wake up in the night, so I sleep the time day. I don't like, I have no valid reason. I just, that happened.
Alia. I said this to you now, I said this push now narrative to you or not like that, but I got me and my friend up on the road a reason. And he come to me and ask me if meeting film woman or game bun. I tell him something I don't know nothing about film woman, I don't know about film relationship, but if you feel like that, it might be that. I tell him say woman wicked, and man wicked too.
Best believe, when wicked for true.
Yes, but woman wicked. But why is me I say this to you? Me no want you prove me right so woman wicked. So me I beg you, I real that happen.
No like that. What you mean by if that happen?
Me just no.
So accuse
Me
me?
no accuse you of nothing. Me just say I real that happen. Cause me no normally call you and not get you, and that's strange for you no call back.
Yeah, come as me say by the time my phone don't charge, me drop asleep, me asleep already. Certain things you have to understand, and all the while I go call me and get me, I know you're going to ask me about if me I give up. No like that something.
So I just that man, what that happen?
Yes, that's just the phone, and the phone there problem.
Alright, I believe for them.
Hope so.
Believe
Because I would have never accused you.
No, see I would never.
So I would have never give up. So I don't expect you to tell me something cross my heart.
Alright.
I swear I would have never give up.
Okay.
But are you want me love you? Because I love you. I don't come like my sister them, you know. My sister they have around 10 man right now, you know. And every day I try knocking at their head say no, it's not right. Then some follow them for them business.
Why one day I hope I meet your sister them, God no.
Yeah, one of them day we meet them, man. But I know you do because they see a picture and so off on my phone.
Yeah, for now I'm a celebrity.
Yeah, and you look at my phone screen, so of course they're gonna know. They're gonna know you.
How you put me there, sir?
Father dear.
Alright.
I want the world know say I'm a man now. Yeah, so if a man approach me, me just go so. You know, say that.
Alright. Joe, let me go wash off first. Come in nice some go through my on the road. Just
Yeah,
wash
go
off
on,
first.
man.
And
I'm
fresh
gonna
up
lie
some
down.
clarity for you.
Can I go back over here?
Alright.
for them.
So enjoy yourself.
Yeah, I was enjoying myself over here, so only place I can find peace, you know.
For real.
Yeah, she living over my house here. My sister is stressing every day.
Your sister them? Awesome.
Every day they're ninging and my ears. But I know one thing or the other.
I ain't know about all of that.
Right now, I go on the street in my room, I go to sleep. Them alright. I don't have a pain none of them no mind right now.
I'll feel free to come over back anytime.
Yes, I'll come back over maybe tomorrow.
Alright, bye.
Yeah, later. Oh. So, what I want to know, mommy? Oh. So, quick. But no, Julia normally send me money on Tuesday. Tuesday normally send me money. Someone else I'm going to go send it tomorrow. Oh, I get here early. So, how much are you send for the week again? 60,000. $60,000? I will leave money that for the week, yeah? I will leave money that for the week, mommy. Alright, mommy. Thank you. I love you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Mommy, say I send money. Come tomorrow.
How much you send?
I don't know. I don't know, but you know, say when the money send, I normally go leave. Alright, no, I didn't say no say little money. I want to plans me for the money, so look around. The light bill due. And the water bill for pay and the worker man for come cut the yard.
So she tell us she have send money and she not tell how much money. And oh, she send it so quick.
Me know she said she get a piece of money early. So I did who her and then give her a money. So she go send it. She said she don't know how much as yet she go send because she has some things to deal with herself. Mama say I do a foreign today, you know. She have it hard over there too, you know. You know, easy over there neither. She said she has some bills to pay. But she go see what she can send.
Well, I mean, things if you use all of this money palm bills, killer. You know, see, killer. You know, see whole time rough and time hard. Make it hard stay for now.
No, listen to me. If me not pay the light bill, there won't be any electricity in here. So we not got no current. And me want can see in the dark. Me want can plug in my phone. Me want can use my fan. If me not pay the water bill, you first of all now go walk all the way down a lane more go catch water, you know. And me no want walk with them, so me have to pay that. The yard no look good. People will pass and say how the yard look. So you say if you know me pay the worker man to clean up the yard, grab a machine tomorrow and chop out the whole of the yard front.
We're not busy what people want to say, busy what people want to say. When we in here, we belly and grow, we can't go buy people them for sing for them.
You know, so that's why mommy not sending you the money.
No, come
And
on,
that's why you not get the money.
man.
That's why me get the money. Because me know to do the important things in the yard.
Sometimes I wish we never live in
You
a
don't
big
know
house
that.
here. Because we have more money.
Big house come with bills, big bill. You there work?
Can't manage, alright. I hope we get more than 5 grand this time because 5 grand can't do for me.
I cannot feel to you.
And where you come from?
Excuse me, girl, I tell you to come out to my business. You're youngest one, you're too enough, so no.
Ask me where I come from.
I'm there.
Ask me where I come from.
You don't know what she come from.
So not about
We are talking about the money will come tomorrow.
what? Money you come tomorrow? What's
Yes.
the money tomorrow?
Yeah, madam.
This is your mommy.
Yeah, she has to
When you send the money?
Or if I can't keep money, man, because hopefully this time I can't get more than 5 grand, because 5 grand can't hold me. I mean, broke right now.
The light bill for pay. How much money you have to put towards that?
Mommy, I sent the money to pay the light bill already.
So when we pay the light bill, how you expect to get more than 5 grand?
So how you want to get more than 5 grand?
Me not get more than 5 grand. Me I get 3 grand. Sometimes I don't really get it and I not complain and I complain.
So what how Alia broke? Where Alia come from?
If my boyfriend had, my boyfriend don't have any money.
What you?
Check the other one.
Them don't have any
So
money
Alia have
right
one
now.
or 2 man, the 2 man them not have no money.
Tell say too blinking enough. Come out of my business.
So Alia, say
Come out, come out.
Girl, you don't have no business again. From today, you don't have no business again because you work late.
Girl, go find a man. Go find a man who can take care of you.
Thank God me not have no man because I could never have no man and come back and ask my sister to
Madam.
No,
Listen to me. Come on, tell me business.
Take time and talk. Take time and
Say my
talk.
young is me slap him down in here. Come on, tell me
Then
business.
this look good. And two man, Ale come back and say you hungry.
Me never tell us me
Ale come back and broke. And a two man you have, girl. Thank God me not have no man.
So much
I
money
never
have.
have no man.
Two bills me have. Who get 2 bills? No business. 2 bills me
So
have.
I have $200. Watch out, $200.
Ali have 2 bills and you smell so. Like you just done something with 2
My
bills,
friend
Ali.
is
No girl, no, nothing like that.
$200. What in neck? What in neck, babe? $200.
Why you highlight me?
No, sir.
Ali, you have 2 man and none of them not get nothing.
Highlight me.
Can't eat the pan there.
For $200.
So what I say at this man?
No, a mosquito bite. Mosquito.
You know them big old ants, they have big one, big old red ants.
And the ants could give more than $200.
No, ants broke.
Let me tell you this now.
No, this I get out of hand now. No, only 2 enough. Only 2 enough.
You're too careless.
Only 2, that's none of your business. Make sure you don't kill this. And make sure I say you don't have no on hide.
Hello.
Anything in the dark will come out in the light.
Hello, listen to me. Me not nothing like that.
Shut
You're
up.
the one with the 2 man, so that go for you. And listen to me now, my girl. You see that this a horse here, you might be the bigger one, but you act like say you're the smaller one.
I ain't care. Me,
You
I live
have
my
2
life.
man.
I'm living
2
my
man.
life. So no sit down and live no life. Sit down and all up on the self
It better we hold up yourself that we got man, yeah,
and me
that come back
still
with
look younger than
$200.
the 2. I'm my oldest one. Come sit down and all up on yourself. Don't do that.
I look like that.
No girl, I want me here. No, you want me here.
Yeah, 2 man, you
Look
can't
at
break
here.
here.
2 man. 2 man come back with $200. So what on the
Alia.
other? More so
No.
So why them get
Come on,
$100 next one get $100? Ali, you too careless for a big woman.
No, I'm come out here say yeah, cause you know piss me off. I mean, I want to lick you in your mouth.
$200, Kayla. $200 can never buy one bola. No. $200.
Oh, you can't buy Bulla, girl.
I don't know who I get that off. I don't know who should get it off.
Listen to me. I beg you for the grace of God. You know, say you go, don't come in nothing like her, you know. Don't come nothing like her. Because she had 2 man and she said the 2 man them now work out for her. She need to go look at work. I get another one make third.
$200 like 1, 2, she mean?
Yes.
But
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
No ambition.
From morning in the yard and me not see nothing. The yard front one rake up. And put up my extra for your money.
If I wake up yard,
Mm-hmm.
how much we are talking about?
$100 go on.
No, this is not Alia. You cannot do this. This is not Alia. Me no work for $100, darling. Rank somebody.
Break up your yard.
Put
We go
some on
surprise.
that.
Yes, we go surprise you.
Oh.
Just break up your yard.
I want something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm not eat from my honey. I'm saying
No.
I'm the man.
Your hand lift up underneath your mother while they are foreign. So you can't go buy something for yourself. Is that made here?
Alright.
Can't see I'm no money. Just send you if I want to come for me one day me off.
Yeah, B.
What's up?
Yeah, rock on.
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, me good.
How are you different?
You know, some of the air sit down as usual. They are with my sister.
Oh.
Wrong one, home, wrong one. Yeah.
So, we can't see you today.
See me where?
Over my yard?
Over here.
Yeah.
Of course you can come over my yard or your yard. You know you can more than come. Yeah.
You sure?
Me, if you want to come over, me have an old room. You want to come over, you come over. Nobody can tell you nothing.
Alright, I'm following a few.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, Mark, one question. How much black you lay in here?
How much you lay in here?
I have to bring man in the yard.
What do you mean by?
You think that mommy send
Me have my one room. No have no worry about that. Mommy not the ear, daddy not the ear. Who I got chat?
Me.
You love you so much,
Listen to me.
dead.
I no man is not coming in here.
You can't
man
stop
work
that.
so hard, girl, that's snow for build
You
it,
cannot
to build this
stop
one. I want
that.
to bring man in here to make we compatible. I want to bring man in here. I no man cannot come in here. I what kind of carelessness this y'all.
You can't stop that.
Go on over your man, y'all.
If
By the way,
you
which
want
man come here?
Tibi.
Me don't know Tibi. Me know Davi Dan and Tibi not coming in here.
Two of them are man. TV and David.
So the two of them go bring in here, Alia.
Yes, the two of them are gonna bring in here. I have my own room. You're not supposed to do business with that.
No man not coming in here. Alia, I carelessness this, but I can't wait for start work. You see, anytime I start work, what I kill you see, anytime I start work, me a little post of this. I can't wait for start moment so that what I kill it to you there. You don't know what say. I'm gonna let come sit down, move your foot. So you
can't
inside
move no foot, kind of have no behavior.
How about yes, up on the road, me coming that time.
No, sit down. She, the powerful man a while ago. Oh, man a coming here. So, it not enough for sugar the man them here to want bring man in here. I tell boy, yes he can come when you're ready. Him not coming here. She too careless. So the two man them she go want bring in here as sure as she don't bring Tibi. She go here she call Davi I want Davi
Let me ask you a question. You have a one room, don't? Don't.
A prank, gonna prank me?
I must prank.
You have a no, what are they? You have a one room, don't Kayla?
Yeah, what
You have a one room, don't? Don't answer the question. Answer the question. You have a one room, don't?
Yes.
So what your business about me and my man and my room?
No.
Girl, don't be jump to the window. You need to know so you're a younger one now. So you can't tell me. You can't tell me what you calm yourself. You're a younger one.
Money come.
Tell her the man not coming in here.
Yeah, girl, see when the money come, you're gonna draw the money, I know, but listen to me, you're busy if you want to bring no man come over and lie.
I know why she here.
I be a careless to put up no answer. I shall call mommy. Bring him come here. Alia bring him come.
Can't do all this.
One put up with Alia slackness. Next thing when one of the man them find go to the next one and see them come beat down the door and one come burn down in here. But guess what? Them not come burn down with me and Yashi in here. What do you see? Keep up with Alia's foolishness.
Think how much again?
Me I one day if I share bigger one.
I feel like she had something, you know. For carry God doctor, I check her road. Me I go down on the road and come back. Please, me I beg you. When you bring the man come over here, stand right in a yes, right in the hall. Don't go in the room. Can not no? Yes, so right here, so can your man not pay no bills in here?
I know you are paying either. Mommy.
Me don't talk, Alia.
Mommy, I pay.
Me not beat up my phone. Me have money for go collect. Me have money for go collect.
Collect can't come back. I take too long with money now.
So, oh, me not get she. And about the Kayla should have asked.
Alia!
Hello, good afternoon.
Evening. Alia there.
Yeah, who?
Yeah, Alia boyfriend.
Yeah, Alia boyfriend.
Yeah, Alia man. Alia husband.
Alia man. What your name?
I'm name Tibi.
Oh, are you name Tibi? For true, my hours you should talk to one upon the phone. You upon the phone. Sorry. So how long you know how for Tibi?
I know say about 2 weeks now.
2 weeks.
Alia my heartbeat. The candy crush. Alia me everything, man. Yo.
Alia everything.
Me give Alia everything and Alia give me everything I want.
So how you give Alia everything and Alia hungry?
Hungry?
Yes. And Alia ever broke, you give her everything. Oh, you meet one girl for 2 weeks and she have your heartbeat. As you say. Matter of fact, you didn't even come in here smoking on the people in here. Why you are smoking in my mother's yard?
So Alia tell me say. Alia not tell me say I have in one room.
Ah, what? You see how the room out here, so?
My apology, come out here. Sorry.
You didn't even have no manners. If I hear them say first impression last,
By the way, I don't really you me come bout, you know.
then I'm nothing to do with me and my mother yard this.
That not
This is not
really.
Alia.
Alia me come too.
If you want Alia supposed to come around a year or yard, you didn't even come in here and have no little. A weapon.
But Alia there.
She inside.
Alia!
Hello, wait till I tell some work call her.
Call
I know
her.
why you go around there so. I don't understand you at all. Matter of fact, Miss Alia little sister, my name Pinky.
My name Tibi.
Tibi.
I tell her already I have to repeat, because I come like, they don't go good school.
You want to come out?
No, call Alia.
Can I make you come outside yard and okay, if you're in there first, please?
Call Alia.
What? Do not move from there, so I don't want you in there, so.
Yeah, man, call
I
her.
want to shall come to you. I want to
man.
grow on your yard. Alia!
I'm telling you if you know about this stuff.
Girl! Smiley, what do you come to you now?
When then?
Hold on. Alia, them type of man they have, and them type of man they want. Him not have no behavior, no manners.
You not know behavior and no manners. Move out.
Hey, hold on. If say no one coming out there to smoke, go on out there to him. Go on out there to him. Go on out there. The thing can't make no man coming here, it's all go stay out there, so. Not a man not coming in the woman house. No man. You don't love man too much. Coop on the boy too. Face stay as hell. He don't even look like he have good work.
Oh, yeah, I don't want to be. Come in.
Your sister said she will call her, so me not to come any further.
What do you mean by if you come in? Me tell us, me eat that little girl. Come on. You know that little girl, you know? I'm a little girl, I'm a man. Watch out. Oi! One more this!
No man not coming here.
Yo, you see that's why I come over your yard and come don't like that little girl, you know?
No man, Alia.
Come on, one me! One me!
No man not coming here.
One me!
Me will call mommy.
Give me
just
that
come and fight for me, mommy. And mommy said, no man not
Open the door!
You're lucky saying that one time, mommy, yo, go on your dad. No man not coming here.
And if you look at it, no, sit down.
Alia, no man not coming here.
Open the door!
Alia, big woman.
Open the door!
No man not coming here.
Open the door!
You there?
Open the door!
One here, yeah, look boy. Look for the man where you are. Ragamuffin.
Just wait till me come in there. Go walk on this one. Come on.
What kind of yard is that?
Me here, me sister, me here.
Go on your yard, you have to go. You.
Yo, she young and dumb. She don't have no sense. Up as
Go on your yard.
Here, no, watch
No
out.
man, if you come in here.
She's very
Boy,
sick.
you mad like.
Wait, you ugly like a.
She mental, here.
Look at all crop. Kupa Alia to be one bring man in here. All of that Alia, cause you lay black in here. Crossy, that tell I what I want.
You see, you take a girl, see?
I think me can do this. I think...
What do you mean you can't do this?
I don't feel good. I want to go back on my yard.
No, you're not for go back here. That's some my sister stay. A Bellevue, she work, you know. But you see, true, she work with a mad patient. Then me come like it, I get to her brain too. Cause her father there, me see she all and yam off her ground. She mad.
First thing, I come here. My sister say, you chat to Uno at night time. No, she lick broom off of me and...
What do you mean by Uno?
After what she said, Alia, how much time you come on me yard? Doing it 2 weeks.
What if
My sister ever bark off of you like this or take up broom off of you?
you don't know sister?
Okay, that means none.
No time at
So
all.
what kind of disrespect them this?
My husband tell us that she kind of psycho. She not up as now work. She headspace go when you feel
Alia.
like and come back.
Why me had bad feeling?
No, but you don't have to go. You can spend some time with me.
Time run out. I'm going me hard. Can't take it.
You see me a murder that little girl. Watch me. I'm mad girl.
Davi Dan.
Yes, I
What
go
are
on
you
now.
with?
We're link up on now, dog. What go on?
Boy, be your things are going. Passa, mix up, judgment, yard, everything are going right now, bro.
Like what, sir?
You know, say me go check the woman while ago.
You go beat it.
Brother, why every time you have to beat it, bro?
But you not, no, but you not beating no time. So I assume say that now.
No, bro.
What
You
happened?
pull up, bro, and his sister attack me. I can't tell me, say, yo. Like, she did want to say it, you know. But it slipped, but she never want to say it at the same time. I was talk about when we go there, I was say, oh, Uno, like you must say, Uno, my sister chat to a night time.
What?
But enjoy back.
No, hold on. What do you mean by that? Oh, no, man. TV, pause the whole world. Tell me how you approach. Where do you approach and say, hi, good evening, blah, blah, blah. Me a woman boyfriend or what?
From me go there, she take me on. I'll broom. She lick me with the broom in my back.
I lie you tell.
One in my head, me have to run.
See you in a box sit down.
But me a box sit down for.
Oh, you fit. Oh, you're going yard for chewing you have alright. So how you end up reach over a girl's yard? Want to fear yard?
Bro, me say me want to go up because I want to go see where she live and I want to go get myself comfortable to her yard and to her room. She tell me say she have her own room, but she get locked out, her little sister lock the door.
Jesus, please tell it.
You know say come to think of it, bro. You know say where they tell me what they. You know say me think of facts I chat.
What that? I hold it for knowledge me chatting now. What that you talk again?
I say, the girl probably a give me money.
Dog, you know, I me tell her that.
No, I me tell you that.
No, yo, that sound like some good advice in the car. Alright, pre the logistics side now, dog. You got yard, where say sister don't know you for now,
No
and you
way.
know go there act rude or nothing.
No.
And he just come and take you on. Alright now, a girl go there confused of one of the other girl man them. Car, imagine now, can you say, uno. So that means when I get him and then go there face it to him, he come there and he just entire right now, be a man supposed to run in the yard. He not out. Up and down like a hurdles.
Feel say that girl there give me money now.
And so me I feel to that, cause watch it next spirit now too. What do you when you say him come over your yard? Wait say he ain't the pan no red.
No.
And you and him over there 1 hour. You never try to do nothing.
Me explain to her and show her levels that me I come off with, but she tell me say no, she only can lead on with me and laugh with me.
Lead on with you and laugh half of you. TB, you never tell me how they sit in your dog. I know me I put 1 and 2 together and realize you 3. You get like your bun. That a go on dog, you know see that? That a go on, you get like your bun and what do you? Let me ask you first time. Alright, when you link to when me and you reason you sturdy. He just come in your yard, come lay down, or like he takes it now.
Come there.
Yeah.
And take her money. Say,
See the dog. Yeah, money man. That you have you as dog. Yeah, money one when you not give enough run.
money man. Then me I eat that.
You say it on me.
No say a fox here chat bro. To right now told me that because girl lick me and me do the broom tick hard, you know right now me I go over gully done brother. Yo,
just a dog get that man. Just dash with the girl the dog.
chicken head, dog teeth, everything bro.
God know that. I'm sorry for know that dog. Why me tell you now? Woman a devil bro. That's why me I see a multiple woman. Can no girl now bite up my heart again.
Right now anytime me get a bit chuck pass back you know me I dump her you know.
Dump him for now. Just fling him out of the door and wait till the truck pass dog. Alright. Oh God dog. I shouldn't even know I'm sorry for you. I mean you don't say me not sorry because me go on there. Go on there now you say girl that never that if me not remember good. Remember when me I throw dice the man me I say you ask for 6 and the girl now say 6.
Girl I say do this.
Smart yeah, good memory. I hope you remember what they get out of you.
Remember me I take your foolish advice.
Alright, me dog.
Go
Big up
for yourself.
yourself. If see things not to you never know. Always. Hello? What go on? Yeah man, you can't meet me over my yard man. I say money come through. Alright, I'm on my way baby. I can't wait for this a great reach. God no. Just know that my Christmas is going to merit today. I know it, I can feel it in my bones.
Babe.
Go on. Come on, man. Go long, we don't see you.
Yeah, long time I not stay for sure. I told me the busy family drama and one pass something. Me never get to come slow for you.
That me I see. So what?
No, I come from downtown. I collect money. Machine, yes.
So you not drawing no money for me too?
Yeah. You know, say I want a little chum change, man, I go collect. What?
What you call chum change?
I want a little 60, I go collect, man.
60,000, hold it that man.
No, man, I'll put them on that. By the time if it's split up that between me and my sister, and me go pay the bills and something, nothing no left. So I want a little chum change money. But we can give you 120 or 30. 20.
No,
Yeah, come and say, yeah, I say money if you pay
No,
the
man,
bill
look at
and if you split it to my sister there.
No man, that low man. Alright, look at even tonight, one party there now. A big party, you know, big artists are going on. Might be you, then so then give me a one performance. So we did say more buy one buckle of anything. Or one buckle of Daniel, you depending on how much money you get. Come, I just feel this and I get money to the final. 20 grand can't go do it. What's that, my friend there now?
You can buy white rum. You can buy white rum, baby.
But you know where artists say you can't see me if me not floss. Big bottle of Hennessy, me no go white rum flask.
Oh, and see what buy? Alright, then make you want 25.
Oh, yeah, talk.
I'm gonna send my money, I'm gonna give my sister the amount I eat.
Come on, your sister ain't good, man. Yeah, they don't want to know. What them want with me?
Alright, hold on, pound this, sir. Hold on, pound it. That'll be a $2,000 bill.
Alright, thank you so much.
Yes.
You can
Cyrus, we can go over. Yeah.
that man there, right, man. Say, go job big money or something.
Yeah, you know, so my mother send on the money at weekend time. So by next week, if we get more money, when we get more money next week, then we get more money. Hopefully, she send more than 60. She send I want 200, then you get 100. You know, yeah, my heart me.
Yeah, man, me know I think go, man. But, God no, right now, me I got see a rain coming because I did under a little bit of stress. You know?
Yeah, stress about.
I don't really mind stressing about my brethren, man. A while ago, you would come to me and I confess, and right now, you come like a ball, man, a ball.
Wow.
You want to know, say, alright, show you after that. Behind him, Harris, and he confessed to me and say, you wonder if you man are Jim Bun. So me I say, you don't know nothing about you and your woman, you know, but me don't know. So me can't tell her yes and me can't tell her no, but me have to say, keep your guard up. So, right now, you would tell me, say, it's like, go over the yard and sister joke him with broom, lick him crossing head that side, swell up in your face.
What? What's sister?
He must see
The
girl
sister?
What girl sister go over here, lick him with broom and sit now. One bag of sit now.
I saw she prime.
Come out of yard and you
She well prime.
he saying go over there so responsible and so nice and say, you know where you come from.
No man. That little girl is prime, or that big woman, whoever she be, she prime man, she can't do something. So what sister do?
Why I don't me never ask him, you know. But and even that, let me tell her how it hot now. Cause he broom lick hot enough, but I know that lick him. I know that really hurt him. One night time them, you won't believe, say, his sister must see a chat and I say, oh, my sister chat to one night time. So, you would say, no, not supposed to do. And me alone supposed to call her sister at night time. I don't know, every night me call her sister. So who much chat to her night time? So it's like he catch back himself and he realize he won't go sleep. So he say, you. So he must ask him about him. Boy, me don't know, you know. Yeah, so he want to look. So right now he might chat to me and boy, me don't know.
Too bad you don't have a fret about it because you know say me alone have.
Yeah, man, I know.
And you not get no bone, you know say me not get no bone because me have to work and me have a bills to pay and
Yes,
stuff.
you know that. That's why I really appreciate her. And that's why I get you a gift. Like how you get me a gift, can really do
You get me a gift?
Yeah.
But a gift, they go on from a caregiver because I have to cover now. Long time I gone from money.
No,
From
man.
money, I don't turn 9 line, you know.
I saw the line there now, man.
So just go on and the light rain go fall. I'm
No,
going
man,
to
make you rain for man. Because I have to give in the house. You have to go in the house to look for.
How can I give that?
I want Valentine's Day gift, man. I'm sure.
Valentine's Day gone how much months now?
No,
How
but
much
I'm
months
sure
now?
you gone and you never get it, so you
Alright.
go put on for you. You see me?
Alright.
Yeah, just look in it. Just look in there, sir.
It's not coming in here. The boy gonna have yard.
Look how much hour now. Me tell about here and let me in.
Alright, listen, Aya. Aya, listen to me and stop banging the woman, please.
Now let's see if I remember what.
I'm telling me, Aya. Listen, girl. If you know right from wrong, you're a big people.
Me I walk her back door.
Which back door? Right to the back door open.
Yeah, me that.
What the door now open? What you mean by the door open?
Come here, sir, come here. Come here, sir. You pick me up, sir.
Leave me alone.
So wait till what?
But I said no.
You take broom, what let me man here?
Stop it.
Me money I bigger one. Me what? Me a who? Me a bigger sister who you around with. You think me I eat that? I don't know Valentine's gift that man. But she can trick me, no sir.
Yeah, well, that's why it was sometimes. Sometimes you have to check people to get what you want. You know, I don't like seeing people like it too.
Yeah, sometimes we think on the one show like it hurt me no, but no worry, me a come go me yard. Me have business to go deal with.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye. Hello. How are you now? Enough man. Oh, hello.
here in gang, I tell my boyfriend be a foolish cussy boy. And then when we go to him and out to do it again, like he don't want to me out. Oh,
I lie, my dear. No, listen,
what tell
what happened. Listen, a man come in here and a man have no manners. Sometimes a man have to come here, come and never say him like crop. And I make him a lip me.
I'm not going to say, oh, so Unu she attack. What she mean by Unu?
Me never said that. I like the boy.
Alright, the money come. The money come. Yes, the money come. So come, I'm not the energy for a war. We don't know. Money come our face for the so.
Hold on there. You fix this. The money come. Go to job me.
You don't pass it on.
Yeah, what was the money?
Where money go? We had the extra this week.
I'm gonna tell you that $5 grand.
Fortunate that mommy never sent enough money as I thought she would send.
No, so I get 5.
See me?
5.
No, say mommy love we already, right? And I tell you, I know you have a picnic. And he left with this and that, so I left with my house, you know.
I like bring money in here. We not stop.
We not stop back on that, you know, right? We not stop back on that, let me finish talk. And mommy saying love. How we are live, you know, we are live. I don't know, so we not live good enough, but we are live good, right?
We are live good.
And she love you, and she love you all along.
We love her too.
But mommy says she has go through some struggles. She has struggled hard over there. The money now flow if it flow over there. So she said she had tried her best and said that thing, and she sent 35.
35. First, me never send so much.
Normally at 60 or 70,000, mommy send. So,
so how much we there again? 5 now?
She sent 35 and I don't know, say the light bill and everything come to 15,000.
So you have 15 left, so
and remember say we have
20 left.
Remember say we have to pay the man to clean up here. Like
no, me don't tell her already say left yard.
No man, mommy say we must clean up here. Mommy say yard must look good. You know what, Miss Beaver call mommy and tell mommy them things they overseas. We stress her out worse.
No, Miss Beaver here to look at the old woman and see.
So I 12 go left. So you know say me can't be the bigger person because I am not the bigger one. I am not the bigger one. I am the second one. So therefore you all get 4 grand. You all get 4 grand, me all get 4 grand.
No man.
No, this can't work.
This now work.
I don't understand.
So Kayla, we move from 5 to 4. We look
No, and
like
5 to 4, normally 10 we get, and we move from 10 and go 5, and now we are left from 5 go 4.
no, Kayla, no man.
That don't make no
with that
sense.
first time.
That don't make no sense.
From back to no. If 5 can't work, we have 4 go work.
No man.
I tell and you tell him go take no.
No, hold on.
No favor way, me just make a point.
Hold on. You don't know so ungrateful.
Oh, I'm
me right now.
Yeah, girl, call like I'm off after I really a pen. Me not understand. Of course, I tell her left the yard. Mommy, they don't have to see what going on in the yard.
Mommy, you know have to think about it too. You are so angry. Out of everything what come out of me a while ago. The only thing I pick out of it and look 4,000. You know, you say mommy has struggle.
No.
Mommy is struggling. When last I call her and ask her if she alright. If she okay,
She knows that she alright.
So you didn't know say what they are when she did her work. She slide and lick her back.
Mommy would have called me with that.
Nobody need to call her to the only if you call her no matter.
No, mommy would have called me. She not call mommy. She call mommy and mommy not say nothing like that.
Alright.
So how come something wrong with mommy now?
You know, are so ungrateful.
No, what you said. Alright, you see me from today. Me I start call mommy. That's why mommy we're gonna make a group. That's why mommy I send the money.
She send them in a group.
Yes, man. Me not like this now, man.
Oh, okay. Call her. See the phone here. Call her, Miss Pinky. First of all, you is the bigger one. Give me my phone. You is the bigger one, right? You don't have a job, you don't have an idea, you don't got nothing. You think that is 2 man. Tap them in a little broke pocket boy out the road and get yourself a job. Right there with a rich man, a sugar daddy. You look at 2 man and look how you look. Every day just in here, so you keep your 20 a day when you can't come out to your mother place. You don't even call your mother and check up on your mother today and chat off your mouth. And your mother money and live for your 20-year-old child. You're worthless. You're the next one. Every day that God send, you left school now. You have subject, you know, so you get up and go look at work. Every day you each up in a fear busy about she and her man. You better you go get her one if you can't get her work.
You get yourself 2 man will give $200, you start saving 200. So when the bills them for paying at the house, you save your 200, you can pay the bills them. Oh, when they are set up for a month. Ungrateful bad, you know? Ungrateful bad. And they go call me. When you make it grow, make her go. They don't call her and tell her if you black or no. Call her down here and say she ungrateful. But we don't say that. Make catch her with me, they go call me and tell me, we believe me. Alright, so make it see. Make it see. But I can't make it good. It's for fair foot on my side.
So I forgot.
Excuse, please. Excuse.
Don't worry yourself. Oh, I remember say my 4 grand coming to put here this man.
Sit your body good. I feel your yard. People have to pay for sleep out your own yard. What about? I'm just ungrateful, man. Just take it 4 grand. Long as my man alright, me good. Take me make my man give me bun.
Oh, me can come very so big. Come here, so how you moon so? You sound so sad and look sad. What do you?
Alia, you have other man.
Me, come ask me foolish. I know say
Alia, you have other man.
No, what happened?
Alia, you have other man. Alia, listen, look for me. You have other man?
Yeah, we have one other man.
Ah, Jesus Christ, Alia, what me can ever tell me say you have other man?
What you mean by so me can't be so?
Alia, you know say, a Davi tell me.
What mean by that?
Say you have other man, and me a go on like say me no know. You really have, Alia, you really have other man?
No.
Ah, Jesus Christ, youth. You know say,
Even though me have other man, you me love you know, so stop behave so.
the way rope, the thank you Jesus Christ, me no have no rope. Alia.
So why you behave so? Me know you must have some hints say me have other man.
Why you never tell me?
So if me did tell her what difference would it make?
Alia, just leave me please.
No B, no, we can't just talk about this. Me not feel it now.
Alia, look how much things me do for you. You never yet link me yet. Say you want food for name and me no give 2,000 or 1,000. Then you say, ah Jesus Christ, I know say me could have beat me should have followed Davi. Yo, right now, me should have in a Davi spot, you know.
Where know Davi from?
My friend a girl is. A 2 girl my friend have. Girl a foreign all a send him much money.
So around it, let me ask you a question. Where you know Davi from?
No bother go on like you want to come buy up my argument, you know.
Me not buy the argument, but Davi have 2 girls.
Oh, you know say we should have followed Davi. Alright now, my own there so right now my heart twist up in a 2 like chewing gum.
Listen me, see we are 2 weeks we know each other from. I don't like a 2 year or 4 year. 2 weeks. I don't know why this hurt you so. Look like a 4 year.
What you mean? So in 2 weeks ever mean nothing to you?
Of course it means something to me.
So Alia, you really are tell me say all of a sudden we are chat for 2 weeks. You have other man for real?
I did have my man before. So you end up saying, I know you me cheat on and him me cheat
That's
on.
right, so you take me for your feeling tree.
Me no,
And that's why you come on me
no,
here.
we could just talk about this. You know,
Me not talk about no go on in your yard, go and go pack your things and leave.
part me things we barely have nothing in your yard.
Go on for them. The 2 jars that we have in our bathroom, take them up. And the one in our bath pan with the big hole in our backpack, go and go take out it.
Me no want them, make them stay. Me got me yard, burn them or do something with them. Me no want them.
If me didn't know you, me follow that we have 2 girls. One will send me money and one like you. Cause that will not reach me, you know.
Oh, no,
That will not reach
listen,
me.
Daddy have 2 girls. Your friend have 2
Oh, you come
girls.
from to me yard.
Okay, I will know. I'll find out.
Oh, yo, sometimes, some things have to reach if you teach and I eat that to the dog. How do you, David?
I first. You know, vex boss, so you feel screw up so.
Yo,
Okay,
you
look.
know say me should have follow you, bro.
Can't follow me dog. Not even on Instagram or
You know
Twitter.
say me could have listened to you.
What happened?
You know say girl have man for real, David.
He said girl the way I tell him about.
The girl have man, bro.
Then me name tell her. How you find out? How you find out though?
Bro, don't worry about that, but just know say me know I'm find out and she Bro, she accept the facts, bro. Can me go to him and me ask her, bro.
You confront him since morning, yeah?
Me confront him not too long as she. Me just deal with done this up.
Yeah. Yeah, tell dog. So what you do with him now? Like when he brawl enough, admit say you sing Hammond for true. You not shot him 2 years as?
You can't ask that.
2 or 3?
4.
Ah, yeah. So me know you know.
Boop, back then. Lick in your face.
Me wrong you, me dog. So what you do now?
Me run him away.
Wrong you tall
Me
dog.
run him away and say, yo, me could have been like my friend Davi. Have 2 girl.
You tell her that? You tell her that or you tell me that?
No, me tell her that.
No!
Say you have 2 girl. Me should have been like, you have 2 girl. Or no, rub no cancer in them cup.
You shouldn't tell him that. Tell him the first thing about girl. When you have a girl where I give you money, you don't make nobody know. You shouldn't even make
So
you
what me
know.
did do like what me did to do?
You shouldn't tell him. You should have just say, hey, me have a friend, we have girl. You tell him, say, girl, give me money. Go.
Yeah.
Damn, you show you, dog. Tell him, show you, dog. You shouldn't do that. Because right now, you little down my thing. My big girl don't know me still. You don't think you know me.
How me feel know that?
That's a good thing. I don't know if your man for know still. But, dog, what me I say, alright thing you do. You should have shot him on 5 bucks to see
A
the
4.
you have. No, man, 5 would have make you alright, man. But 4 alright.
2 years and 2 years so.
Well, you connect them. From the even I hit that. So how you feeling yourself now, dog?
Dog, me feel like one load of shit.
Boy, you could have worse, my dog. All the girl broke my heart. The last time I broke all the girl heart back and take
The
them.
girl break my heart in a element in all different type of shape and things and everything, bro.
God know, my jagger. Well, yo, you do the right thing, dog. You make a step over from me and come for the run I beat them to say it, you know?
Alright, go on, me and go back to that, so.
Uh-huh.
Glad me did see you.
I'm glad I see you back too. Watch out.
Watch out.
Baby, one.
Baby, no, baby, me. You're wicked. Me can't believe it. You know how long me I look for you for morning.
Hold on, baby.
Me-
Oh, you look so different.
Remember,
When you hear the
Listen
what
me,
last thing there,
listen
oh,
me.
you look so different.
you know how you have me living up here stress out for morning.
Stress
I
out
drink
for
and I smoke like me that.
Stress out for what?
Davi, what make you have woman for me? Oh, you feel doing this?
What?
Huh?
What you talk about?
Yes, I'm telling you something. So when I give your friend them advice, give them advice properly and tell them if you don't love use them on. Cause your friend that tell me say you have 2 women. Me I want a different girl.
I lie, my tell. Me not no friend. I lie, my tell.
You know how one friend when name Tibi?
TB tell us me have to
A
woman.
code Tibi use and tell me. Code. A chat to me in a code and tell me say you have an ex woman. Somebody want to know, just tell me say I lie Tibi I tell you, man. Just tell me say I lie Tibi I tell you. If you know me begs and cross for morning.
Baby, me not. Baby.
No, baby me.
Me nah.
When me want to hear say I lie.
Me not gonna tell you no lie. I no lie, my tell you, baby. But that no matter. You not going like you not have one other. You don't have one other man.
That I did. Long time.
No, man. Me a talk about no. You must want to come and
Where me forget it from? All of my time me dey be loyal to you. I say alright. Me not gonna have no other man pay cause you're a good man and you're this. But you know why problem? My sister they in the right. Cause my sister tell me say every man a dog.
No, I lie. Them a tell me I'm a dog.
You're worse than dog right now. Me wanna know whether the woman they can give you when me can give you.
Alright.
That me wanna know.
Well, you know what no sense me pretend. If you tell her the truth, yeah, it's alright. You see that girl there? She treat me good. She massage me back. She do everything. And most importantly, a week time she give me one big money. Whole heap of money and give me a week time. I wait even give her a look change sometime.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
So a money make you stray?
I no money.
You see, money, a root of all evil. And right now, money make you stay so. Cause at first I never stay so. If I never money, I would go there so. And when I give me a little 5 and 6 grand a week time, me never complain. So when I start give me 10 grand, me never really pick no on fight, you know. Me never think no on tight. But a woman money I take I give me, Davi.
Oh, you no matter of a woman money.
What you mean by no matter? It matter.
You can't get it said away.
Me no want it. Me no want you anymore. This a relationship done. We done. Me no want you in my life no more. You hear me say it over, I finish it done. Jesus Christ and a Jesus make it answer.
You can't.
Oh,
Baby.
No,
Baby.
don't read that man. What about your business? You're wicked.
Father God. I'm not falling Kayla, yeah, man, cause no, sir. Should I reach by now?
Baby.
You just say should I reach, you know?
Yeah, so what happened when me come meet her? So what happened? You have heart attack?
No, sir.
You sick?
No, man.
You feel a bit hot though. What happened?
I threw all it up on my brain, so it a boil up. But
My way you come make it sound like an emergency, like a life and death situation.
Emergency. Yeah, my life and anything else other than you are dead to me. But still, me I say, Kayla. Right now, more take things for the next level.
Huh?
More move relationship to the next level. Some things happen and I really get to appreciate it. So right now, more put me and you, if we get a level up or so, more put we up or so. You can see it. So that me I plan to do right now.
One moment. Like how that's feeling is a while ago.
True word.
So we are saying we should go up on the next level?
Yeah.
So what happened make you come up with all of this?
Why? Just certain things happen and make me cut out certain people out of my life and I get to realize that I just me and you alone. Like,
A long time you say that.
Hold on. Yes, I
You know excited like I mean?
I get me excited, but me I say we just want to put things on the next level with me and you. So I just start me come.
We're on the next level now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. You know say all along you know say never meet my sister them or nothing. Like how we relationship they on a higher level now. We did it down here so, now we are up here so. So me think it's time you meet them. Cause everybody are moving people, you know. I'm not carrying people. And me I was carrying Davi. So we're on the other level now.
Alright.
We're on a new beginning.
Alright then. So when I want to come over now then?
Alright, now we're over there. Now we go up on a new level. And now everybody must know, say, it's me and you. All along, like, say, we was hiding. We're not hiding anymore. We're up in the open. We're in the open now.
Alright, lead the way then.
Yes. Come on.
Can't believe a dirty boy. Can't believe they really have woman for me. I've been there with him all long. My sister didn't tell me, she said, I would think some stop at the bar if you want over. I just want to see my screech it come down truly. I would the girl there him go to a workless boy. Oh girl I give money. Girl I give which money? Which money? Which freaking money girl? Business oh, girl.
Hello. How I did make me look so?
No.
Are Pinky there?
Me no know.
So why you have your skin up so I can smell shit?
Me smell shit. Cause I pay crosses and I feel like pay crosses.
You know your nose you smell. Anyways. Pinky is here, yes or no?
No, me don't know when there. You there?
Well, when Pinky come, if me not there here, me have a man. Yes, I think the outside, me soon bring him in.
You mean by have a man?
Me don't look like somebody who can have a man. Something wrong with me so me can't have a man.
Me never said that, but you always go like you're a virgin.
I never go on like that. I just don't be like you showing up my business in the public.
So when you choose to show up in like public?
Me and my man become official. It's like the rubbish heap I was in his life get thrown out. So I think it's time for me to introduce him. Cause you bring man come in a regular, no?
No.
You bring man come in here to
bring
Pinky.
him. Yes,
that's
the only man. My man,
and Pinky beat him. The little mala one. Cause Pinky beat him.
No, me never bring him come in. I look at the tip. Me never bring him come in.
No worry yourself. See my man. Davi, come in, honey. Come in.
Let me but.
See my man here, girl.
Hello.
This is my man.
Hold on there. Davi. Where are you?
Where am I doing?
See, you know, so me hear everything and me know say you have one other man.
You shut up. Hold on. I just you. Where are you, Davi?
It's like when we come in a while ago, me that
Kayla, you know, so Davi are my man.
What?
No, I don't give a damn. Where are you, Davi?
Only there right now. Only in our relationship right now.
Oh, you come over here, son. Let go of Kayla. Turn up your son. Give me your address. Turn up this.
Yeah, man, I am.
Shut up. Where are you, Davi?
What me do with Davi? It's me, man. It's like you're not hear me.
Shut up. No, me left you because me find out say I want to dirty girl and me didn't know say that dirty girl is my sister. Me didn't know say I'm my sister. So me ask that question. Oh, and she has spent big money for you.
Obviously.
So Karen, me ask you one question. Where you get the money from to spend?
Well, since everybody's confessing and talking in truth, and it's not like when you can do me anything in here. When mommy send the money, I spend it on my man.
Also, you are shouting me and Pinky, but
Yeah, you say to come over your house.
Oh, baby, baby,
No, baby, not in front of me.
But you know,
baby, not in front of me. Me can't believe. Come over here, so you come over here.
Hello, my girl.
Let me ask you a question. You don't know so me and Davi there.
Only know that every more. Only they know our
You don't know so me and Davi there.
You know they know our relationship.
You want wicked. Why you take your sister, man?
Yeah, two man. You must learn to
Ease
share.
up, man. Ease up.
You must learn to share.
Learn to share one. You give me two, man. You
One to
give me
TV. One to TV.
Which Stevie? Which Stevie?
The man.
Which Stevie?
No, hey.
Come on, say. Which Stevie?
Baby, which
Stevie? Which Stevie?
Baby, which TV?
Me know no.
The TV where you did that way.
Me yeah, Stevie left me.
That you are Davi there now. You are Davi there now.
Davi.
Oh.
What's up? Davi. How are Alia do Davi now? Me say, Alia.
What?
Hey, calm down. Water in a pot. You can't take me, man.
Allah.
Which man?
Davi Dan.
You know Davi?
Yes, and I'm passing on my run. What do I go? Me, man.
What do you think Alia come to?
Alia.
You know, listen, Alia, calm down. Calm my son, one man, have a wally.
Love Davi. Kayla loves Davi.
Calm down.
That's a problem.
It's a life of my life. Shut up. I thought that mommy has to need big money come here and Kayla use my Davi girl. Which money? I use money. Allah, yeah, girl, what the girl? Yeah, I just want money. I don't have a kid, girl. Yeah, come here.
Yes, guys, y'all make it to the end of the video. Guys, remember to donate. Guys, you don't want better quality movies? Donate, guys. I see if you don't want to donate to waste tuna to me. Still link up that because I want the waste tuna. So I get my belly can flat and nice. Yeah, guys, and thank you. And make sure you subscribe and donate. Bye.